Hi, this is Joel from CSC Exports. We're here to provide a smooth experience for your business in China. In the next few minutes, I'd like to explain what we do to make your journey as easy as possible, from finding the right product to delivery at your door. I'll give you a hint. No matter your needs, it couldn't be any easier. So, maybe you need a new product, a better product, or a cheaper product. And sure, you may have second thoughts about buying things with a Made in China stamp, but if you're consistently getting high quality goods at a good price, your customers will thank you as much as your stakeholders. Look for a moment at your camera, your smartphone, or your gaming console. Maybe it's Japanese, Finnish, or American, yet it's probably made in China. Still, what problems did these companies face before they finally made it, finding the right product and reliable suppliers? What problems are you about to encounter on your journey to business in China? Problem number 1. Finding the right suppliers and quality products. This will be, to put it lightly, difficult. Navigating on the ground in China requires overcoming barriers of both culture and language. Finding the right manufacturers, getting to their locations, and developing good relationships may leave you exhausted and confused. And doing all this without a professional approach will be impossible. So, don't come home with empty hands or empty pockets. Instead, trust CSC to organize a productive trip to save you time, energy, and money. So, why not save the hassle of flying around the world and use a website like Alibaba.com or MadeInChina.com? These suppliers have everything you need, from screws to cranes, at the click of a button. Their e-shops have high-quality pictures and videos to show exactly what you're getting. Okay, time to click on purchase and proceed with the money transfer, perhaps even safeguarding yourself with an escrow account. After all, these guys are legit, right? Right? Problem number 2. Appearances can be deceiving. Sure, they might be the real deal, but you could also never hear from them again. Perhaps you'll get your products, but weeks after they'll do you any good. Even with an escrow account, all the manufacturer promises is to deliver something to you. If you're not satisfied with the product, there's nothing you can do but cut your losses. Behind your computer screen could be an amateur selling from his home, an illegal or unprofessional company, or worse, a scammer pocketing your money. Are you really willing to find this all out the hard way? Let us worry about your supplier. CSC can run a background check on your supplier, visit locations, and talk to employees. Let us make sure the company you found is exactly what you need. And what if you want somebody else to find the right supplier? We can do that too. Our team has the experience and expertise to find suppliers and products throughout China to fulfill your needs to a T. Don't just Google it. Using our local Chinese networks, we help you to avoid expensive middlemen and get right to your product. We can work with you and our manufacturers to develop a new product, modify an old one, or order something already under production. Whatever your product needs, we'll work with you to bring your ideas into superb realities. Good! Everything is going well. You finally found the right supplier. Now it's time to close the deal. Problem number 3. Getting a fair price. Although many factories will negotiate a lower price, they protect their profit margins by cutting corners on the finished product. Even if you feel that everything is legit, many Chinese interpreters are not authorized to make decisions about price and quality standards, may not be familiar with trade law, and won't be able to explain bureaucratic complexities in English. Remember, their bonus is coming out of your pocket, so cover your back by having CSC handle purchasing and negotiation for you. Problem number 4. Keeping quality high and prices low. How do you safeguard quality? Without a legally binding Chinese contract, you may lose your deposit or even 100% of your investment. International contracts hold little weight here. When we handle your contract, we cover all bases by scientifically listing product quality, specifications, and materials, as well as standard dates and terms. And remember, when in China, do as the Chinese do. The contract has to be written down and discussed in Chinese. To make sure the manufacturer kept their word, we also quality control your goods to save you headaches after the product is in hand. Final step. You're done with manufacturing and the container is ready to be shipped. Problem number 5. Getting your goods from A to B. For smaller quantities, shipping in a partial container can be expensive. You'll need to store your products for several days to reduce shipping costs, or gather goods from around China to send in one shipment. For any amount of products, you may want them to arrive ready, with inserts, stickers, or other processing and packaging. Once again, nothing to worry about. CSC covers all your bases by providing both warehousing and shipping and logistics services. Quality products and a serious dedication to professionally serving you distinguish us from other companies in China. Why us if there are so many other options? Because quality is our best quality. Unlike our competitors, we're both scientifically and legally qualified to provide you with the best services. Regardless of what stage in the buying process you're at, or what services you require, we'll be there to support you. This is why us. CSC. We are your representatives in China.